Budgeting. Sounds boring, right? But listen, budgeting is the reason some people always have money. In this video, I'll teach you budgeting step by step in a super simple way. I'll show you a budget sheet demo, real example, and mistakes to avoid. So if you are a beginner in India, this video will change your money life. First, what is budgeting? Budgeting means deciding where your money should go before your money disappears. Most people do this opposite. They spend first and then try to save whatever is left. But the truth is, saving should happen first. Budgeting is not stopping your life. Budgeting is giving your money a job. Now let me show you the easiest budget sheet. You can do this in Notebook, or in Excel, or even in Google Sheets. Step 1. Write your monthly income. Example, salary is 30,000 rupees. Step 2. Write fixed expenses. These are expenses that come every month, like rent, EMI, mobile recharge, electricity. Let's say, rent 8,000 rupees, EMI 3,000 rupees, electricity 1,500 rupees, mobile 500 rupees. Total fixed expenses equals 13,000 rupees. Step 3. Add variable expenses. These change every month. Groceries, petrol, outside food, shopping. Groceries, 5,000 rupees. Petrol, 2,000 rupees. Outside food, 2,000 rupees. Shopping, 2,000 rupees. Total variable expenses equals 11,000 rupees. Now calculate income 30,000 rupees minus expenses 24,000 rupees. Balance equals 6,000 rupees. This 6,000 rupees is your savings plus goals, emergency fund, investments, and future plans. Now here is the most important part. Needs versus wants. Needs are things you must pay for, like rent, groceries, basic travel, medicines. Wants are things you like, but you can live without, like Zomato orders, new dress, OTT subscription, extra shopping. The biggest money problem in India is we treat wants like needs. If you control wants, you automatically start saving. Let's take a real example. One person earns 25,000 rupees. They say, I can't save. But when we check spending, 2,500 rupees outside food, 1,000 rupees subscriptions, 2,000 rupees shopping, 1,500 rupees random UPI. That is 7,000 rupees per month. If they reduce only half, they can save 3,500 rupees monthly. That's 42,000 rupees per year. See? Not salary problem, budget problem. Now, let's talk about mistakes beginners do. Mistake number 1, not tracking expenses. If you don't track, you will never know where money is going. Mistake number 2, no savings goal. If savings has no target, you won't take it seriously. Mistake number 3, using credit cards like free money. Credit card is not extra income. Mistake number 4, making budget only in mind. Write it down. Budget should be visible. Now your homework is simple. Today itself, write your income, write your expenses, and calculate balance. If you want, I can give you a free budget sheet template. Just comment "budget" below. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share with one friend who always says, "Money is not enough." See you in the next video.